Hey, what's up YouTube? I just want to go ahead and make a quick short video and let you guys know that I got some parts in the mail and new parts for the STI. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, so bear with me. So I did order this at Japanparts.com straight from Tokyo. They got some good parts there, pretty good on price too. So yeah, check out Japanparts.com. Keep in mind, I do have more parts on order from Japan, so I will have to wait. There are delays, but surprisingly, these one came quick. It's only 1 week since I ordered it, and it's already here. There we go, Cusco. You got the stickers. So what I have here is the rear sway bar link reinforcements. I will do another video, an install video for these. So this is the first one. There's a second box in here. If I can get that. Alright, Cusco. Wrap. So I'll open it up. I can already see that signature blue, it's nice and shiny. Alright, so yeah, I went ahead and got the rear differential reinforcement brace. This color is beautiful. As you can see, there's a Cusco engraving right there. Yeah, so that's the second part. All right, third box. I don't know if you can ID it through the box, but I'll open it up for you. So as I open it up, currently I'm not going for power mods, only because I'm watching. Actually, I'm keeping a warranty on my vehicle, so I'm trying to work around it. Power mods probably someday in the future, but we'll see. Alright, so I went ahead and ordered the Zerosports. Let me see that. Zerosports cooler intake. So basically this is a radiator shroud that goes here. Sorry for the shaking. That goes here. And supposedly it's like those you know, Heron and Cobb ones. Let me take this out of the box for you so we can take a look. It has that nice anodized blue. So I'm sticking with that theme, that color, or Cusco blue. Now let me unwrap this for you. Alright, so here's the shroud. It has that nice anodized blue color. So basically, you're probably familiar with it. It'll sit somewhere right here, like that. So I will be installing this in another video, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, by the way. And the cool thing about these, like two different brands, but the color scheme almost similar. You got Zerosports, Cusco. See how I'm sticking with the theme? Got that? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. I also did I got a STI radiator cap from Japan actually. That I had in my car already. Straight from Tokyo, thanks to my cousin Chris that went up to Tokyo for business, and he had the time to actually buy me a STI radiator cap. All the way from Japan. Cool. Of course I'm replacing this cap here with it. There you go. Alright, so another part that I do have in wait is... Oh, I forgot to mention, I was way long overdue to do this, but I want to go ahead and give a shout out to Sign of Aloha for making me these custom novelty license plates. They gave these to me when we had a Subi meet, I think a year and a half ago with 808.net, and I was surprised that this was given to me, and I want to thank these guys for making these for me. They also make custom stickers, so if you want to hit them up, hit up their IG at Sign of Aloha. I'll put a link in the description, so check them out. It's right there. That long box right there is my side skirt extensions. I went with something not expensive because driving my car around here, of course I'm gonna damage it. So I went with the Charge Speed version 1 side skirt extensions. I already have the Charge Speed version 1 lip on my car at the moment, but I'm not gonna show you now. I'm gonna make another video for that, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. But like I said, I'm not going for power mods yet. I'm trying to stay away from it. I'm just trying to make my car more nimble, more reliable. There are a couple things that I'm ordering. There is the alternator belt cover, which I need to wait because there's a specific brand that I want that's already sold out. So I'm gonna wait for that. If y'all notice, all my parts is JDM. I'm trying to stick with the JDM, trying to stay true, but there are times where I will need those other parts, if you know what I mean. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I do have parts still on the way. I did order it. I have actually parts coming from Rally Sport Direct that I recently ordered not so long ago. So stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I have more Cusco parts on the way, more bracing parts. That was just, you know, just a few of it, just the beginning parts of it. So stay tuned for that. But if you like this video, if you enjoyed watching all the other videos, go ahead, like, share, comment if you got anything to say. There's other projects on the way, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I can't talk right now because, you know, I'm tired. I just finished work. But yeah, see you in the next video. All right, peace. Aloha.